Picture frame molding is so simple and it really adds a classy impact to your space. Here's how we did it. Here's the specific molding that we got from Lowe's. You can take this to the store with you and make sure you get the right kind. And you will need to know how to make 45-degree cuts for this project because that's key to making it look cohesive and make it look really streamlined on the wall. You're going to want to check out the blog post that I have linked below to see specifically how we measured for our room and the dimensions that we chose for our specific room and tips for how you can put those adjustments into your rooms as well. You've seen the tall boxes here, but now here's what the short boxes look like, which are underneath our big windows in our family room. And this is how we are actually attaching to the wall. So if you look at this brad nailer, you can see that my husband is going kind of at a slant, at a diagonal, and that really helps to get the pieces in securely, and then we didn't have to use adhesive because they're in there really, really good. It is going to leave you with tiny, tiny little holes that are super easy to fill, and I filled them with wood filler, and then you're going to have these seams on the side. You're going to have to fill these in with caulk, which again is very, very simple, but see here how it just fills in that gap. It makes it look like it's built into the wall. It looks so nice. Once you've done the finishing part, it's time for the painting. I got my little helpers involved, and you can come see the paint color that we chose in the blog post as well. I have some other beautiful colors that would look well with this classic style, but let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something that you would try yourself? I really feel like it adds so much to our room and added so much character for honestly a minimal budget and minimal effort. This was a project that we got done in one weekend, and you can do it too.